Description: the ultimate detangler for wet or dry hair, even on the go. Benefits: flexible bristles work through tangles without pulling or tugging. Soft touch finish is comfortable and slip-free. Suggested use: great for all hair types, including extensions. How to use: for wet and dry hair, start by brushing out the ends and work your way up to the crown. For extensions, hold the hair below the top of the extension and brush away tangles. This helps to avoid unnecessary tugging. At Drybar, our philosophy is simple: focus on one thing and be the best at it. For us, that's blowouts. Our products have been created with that same goal in mind, to create and maintain the perfect blowout. But it's more than just hot air. It's happiness and confidence. Because when you look good, you feel good. Cheers. Top reviews from the United States. Miracle brush for tangles. Great brush. I have really long hair which tangles often. This brush is an absolute miracle at getting tangles out. It doesn't hurt at all. I bought the small one for camping, traveling trips, and I actually use it now as my go-to brush. I actually just purchased the big one too. Highly recommend if you have a sensitive head.